Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the ACR Preset Manager Photoshop extension. The extension works with Photoshop CC. It doesn't work with Photoshop CS6. The reason for that is it's really here to integrate with the new Camera Raw filter that's only available in Photoshop CC. So first of all, I'm going to open up the extension. So I go to Window, Extensions, and you should see here ACR Preset Manager. So I'm going to select that. That gives you your extension here. I'm just going to dock it there so it's nice and out of the way. If I click on the ACR Preset Manager logo, it'll open up the window for me. What you see here is a library of the groups that we've got set up in ACR Preset Manager. So here I have a folder here and then some groups down here. And again, in types I've got a mixture of just pure groups and then some folders of groups as well. And this has all been set up previously in ACR Preset Manager. So say I want to treat this portrait in black and white, so I'll go to my portrait group, I'll select black and white, and I'll just click here. And clicking there will load the black and white presets, and it will also open up the Camera Raw filter. So if I go now here, you can see my presets are all loaded, and I can pick whichever preset I want to use and treat it there. If I wanted to use color preset, similarly I'll just hit the color button and it'll open up the it'll open up the Camera Raw filter with my color presets already loaded. That's pretty much all there is to it. There are 3 buttons down here as well, which I'll just go through. We'll start with the middle one. The middle one, if you click on that, it'll open up ACR Preset Manager. So if I wanted to add a new group, so let's just add a new group here, call it new group. Okay, so it's got 4 presets in. Let's close that down. Now it's not reflected here. What I have to do is go down and just hit the refresh button. So if you change anything in ACR Preset Manager and then come back into Photoshop, you'll just need to pick up the hit the reset button. But every time you open this pane up as well, it'll also refresh itself. So now if I hit new group, it'll open up the Camera Raw filter, and there we go, there's my 4 presets that you just saw me set up in ACR Preset Manager. So let's just go back and delete that group, drop out, refresh, and there we go, it's reflecting again what I have in ACR Preset Manager. So that's these 2 buttons here, and we've got the last button, which all that does is it'll open up the Camera Raw filter for you on your existing picture, but it won't load any presets. So whatever presets happen to be loaded, which in this case should be the previous 4, will still be available for you there. So if you don't want to change your presets, you just want to open it up, you've got that option there. And that's pretty much it. I think it generally helps your workflow. It's nice and easy, and it allows you to use ACR Preset Manager without ever having to leave Photoshop.